Bafethu ilanga lokugcina siseDobsonville siyayiqeda Vandag. Mfana ngeke ngakubona nini eshowini yakho ufaka iskipa seChiefs.
Sure, first, yeah.
Why bofaka iskipa seChiefs
Because for life, Buffett. So as you all know, in Africa, it's the biggest team ever, and we are still keeping that. That's why I'm in Duana as a performer, Buffett. So this is Discus Challenge, 10 years in Mfethu, and Kaizer Chiefs ilokhu yabonisa njalo ukuthi ikona development strong and nane big team izokwazi ukuthi ishintshe as time goes on, because in Duana ezansi ziyaperform. Today is the big day. Yes.
Mfana inkomishi yakubo, and talking about intwana zeKaizer Chiefs, sizole Kaizer Chiefs beyidlala. We have seen intwana eziphuma ku DDC.
Yes.
Yusuf Marto agijima ku Pirates, ku DDC Pirates you've got abomduduzi ushabalala ubuya khona ku DDC. iPirates yona beyishanje ngabadlali be DDC kakhulu. Kusekonafe beshanga 6 yama player phuma ku DDC. So yakubonisa lento ukuthi le vision kaBaba uDr Ivan Khoza iyaphila intwana encane.
Iyasebenza and futhi iphekwa khona la kuyo iDisc Challenge bafethu. As you can see, sithanda nje ukubonga bafethu iDStv ngale platform. It's a very big platform, and especially to our youth, especially to intwana esakhula to iDisc ikona development. And another thing, don't worry about iChiefs endala mfethu, as we told you, as we told you thina noBabnapi sisapheka sisapheka, but yes, you know,
but mfana you talking about into ebalekile, intwana ezincane, intwana ezisakhula, you know, unezintwana ezile kwamhlaba uyalingana, nezintwana eziphansi esishihwe kimbali ekhalechiwe. They've got a dream yokudlala kulesigaba, so sizikhuthaza sithini lezi intwana ukuthi bafethu pushana.
Simple lento bafethu yabona, if you believe in yourself, it's very important, and angifuna uqamba manga amathuba khona, and amathuba ayafika. It's just that when are you ready now? So wherever you are, make sure that you train accordingly, so that when the chance present itself, ithole ulindele, ithole
ngendlela yokuziphatha futhi.
Yes. And another thing, sine sponsor esikhulu la eSouth Africa, which is the DStv, and yenza show ukuthi yawahambela amakasi namakasi. Watch out, soon iDisc Challenge izobe sekasi lakho. Kusasa kuzobe kuwe sikubuka lana, and next year kuzobe kuwe ikapteni yeBafana. You'll never know. So la amaphupha yenzeka, please bafethu ungalale passage.
Bafethu ngiphethe uKing Ginger, inja yegame uyaza ngahlangana nawe noma yinini makahlangana. After everything sesitshintsha amafoni.
Yes sir, yes sir.
ngeDDC. Ntwana manihlangana kathi uthini mfana?
It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a biblical king mntanami. Disc Challenge bafethu 10 years in sisazophaka.
Eyokugcina mfana abakwazi. Ungumtimando unguhlaza.
Umtimando uhlasa ubambo lunye ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Hayi, that's me.
Ukuthi siyabonga.
Yabonga.
Sitho mkhulu.
Uyalazi utaba.